We will install Laravel 12 and set its domain name to laravel-12.local. Make sure you have 1. Installed Docker. 2. Created a container with at least PHP version 8.2. 3. Installed Composer and the Laravel installer inside the container. A new folder has been created. The next step is to create a local domain entry in the hosts file. Create a new line for the new domain. Save and restart Docker. Refresh page, and now we create configuration file for laravel-12.local. Restart Docker. Refresh page. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe channel Javazis.